Happy Friday, everybody. This is your skipper here, Darius Dale, to present our macro minute for Friday, October 8th, 2021. It's jobs reports day. You got global rates pressuring U.S. rates higher. We got bonds down a little bit here. You get the 10-year UK gilt yields up 5 basis points. Japan JGB yield 10-year up 2 basis points. Swiss up 3. Germany up 3. You got the U.S. 10-year up 1. Same thing with the 30-year. It's a kind of all eyes on the jobs report. You got 500K expected, 550K sort of the whisper number across the buy side right now. I think that's all the circus. The real number you should be paying attention to. We'll show here on our October scouting report, which we put out on Wednesday. 120 slides of data. You know me. This is the most important statistic you need to pay attention to, which is the prime working age labor force participation rate. As you can see, there's a big mismatch between labor supply. This is job openings and NFIB survey job openings hard to fill with where this line is. The faster this line catches up to these lines, the less pressure we're going to see on wages, and the more likely it is that we don't see a wage price spiral. But if people are content to sit on their couch, even in the absence of government stimulus, in the absence of eviction moratoriums, I tend to think that they are going to go back to work because people need to eat and have roofs over their head. But if they somehow don't need to, if they're trading crypto, trading stocks, Bitcoin's up at the top end of its probable range, then we're going to continue to see wage pressure and that filter into secondary rounds of inflation. So I think it's a fluid situation, obviously a fluid situation with the energy stuff. Nothing overbought, oversold, with the exception of Bitcoin and Ethereum, both at the upper boundary of their probable ranges. But I wouldn't necessarily be too concerned about that. Those things tend to grind higher towards the upper boundary of the probable ranges when they're in bull markets. So be aware of that. Be 42 macro aware of that. And lastly, if you guys are enjoying these, click subscribe to the channel. We're going to be putting these out every day going forward. Catch you here next week, guys. Have a wonderful weekend. Cheers.